Welcome back to this horse garage. The lift is kind of in place, not exactly. I've got it down and it works, but I haven't got the leveling system done yet or anything else to it. This is just kind of a little channel update and tour around the updated garage as I've had some projects done here. So the lift is down. I'm working on getting it leveled. It does raise up and down right now. Got the panel over there, the main box. So I gotta level this out still. My floor is just a regular residential floor. It's not precisely leveled. So I got a bunch of shims I ordered, and unfortunately they forgot to include my 1/2 inch shims, which I need for the most extreme part. So I got 3/8 or 1/8, 3/16 and 1/4 inch, and they did not include my 1/2 inch shims. So I'm waiting for those to show up because those have to go on the this end. Is the garage is like sloped going out, of course, so that's one thing I gotta fix. Honestly, it wasn't too bad getting them set up in here. Getting them in place was probably the hardest part, but then actually hooking up the hydraulic lines under here, let me raise this up. Doing this was actually pretty easy. Following the manual, just put some tape on them to label them so you know which ones are which when you're running them from the cabinet and in between, but that was pretty easy. If you see these little holes in the wall here, so I had insulation done around the entire garage and in the ceiling this week. So now I can use this little AC unit, although this thing really is not cutting it. I'm probably going to end up taking out this whole window and putting in a bigger window unit. This little guy is just not putting out enough cool air to really make a difference and bring the temperature down. Also, I'm gonna have a video project on doing the garage door, so I'll be insulating that with some foam board to really finish off the insulation of the entire garage. I just filmed a little video here for these used stands and prototype stands. See the extra little holes there? So if you didn't see that video, these are gonna be on sale on the website for a discounted price because I'm just trying to get them out of here. These were my original stands that I made myself. And yeah, just trying to move them along. Got some used stands as well, like this one, just a prototype stand, or not a prototype. This is the actual stand I sell. I've put it together, demoed it in a couple videos. Gonna sell these at a little bit of a discount as well. Got a box of random junk from Harbor Freight here I ordered, but yeah, nothing too exciting. And I think that's my girlfriend yelling at me that I'm taking up the garage and she needs to get in, because when I have these lights on all in here, the garage door doesn't work, so that's fun too. All right, sorry for that interruption here. Let's see, where was I? I don't know. Anyway, look at the American Freedom Power here, you know, Corvette Mustang looking nice. What else are they gonna say in here? Oh yeah, so about all the scientific stuff, breakdowns, analysis, everything, I swear I'm doing the wheel cleaner stuff still with all these wheel cleaners I have. I got the Petri dishes. I got, this bag is iron in it so I can do my iron tests. I have all the tests planned out, written up in a spreadsheet. I just got to get the garage cooled and have time to come out here and do it. Just been working on other projects here, like I said, with the garage. Working on the new creeper design still. That I got to keep a bit more secret. What else do I have going on here? Oh, I got Corvette Mods stacking up on the top here. You see some from ACS Composite. So those will be going on here once I get the lift working, when I get the shims finally to get that up. I have a whole video on a series on doing the Corvette. Probably gonna take a week off of work and do a whole, you know, big Corvette project to get a lot of vacation days to burn here. So that'll be another series coming. I got some more in-depth tests I'm planning on doing. We got the big wheel brushes video coming. I got a couple more of those on order. I think I'm gonna do something with I talked about like sprayers and buckets. Yeah, new buckets coming in soon. In these Amazon boxes here, I have 4 different bucket dollies. So I'm gonna test out all the bucket dollies with my new bucket that's coming and see if I can figure out what's the differences between what would work best with my bucket. Got the grit guard. I got these on order too, so those will be coming that I can sell with the buckets, because my bucket is unique and bigger than all the other food buckets you see out there. And I don't think there's anything else. This is my disaster corner still. Yeah, just an absolute train wreck. Got the pegboard over there for the creeper project. So anyway, I think that's all I can talk about while I'm just rambling here. I got projects planned for the motorcycle to get this thing cleaned up because it definitely needs a bath and a good detail. Oh, let me grab one other thing real quick. I also got this little package of stuff for my wheel coating testing I'm going to be doing. So when I take the rims off of my Corvette here, I'm going to be doing 20 or 19 actually, because I have one control. 19 different coating tests with, like, I got coatings, waxes. It's like got G-Technic C5 Q2 rim. I'm gonna have CSL. I got Pinnacle Black Diamond wheel coating, DP wheel coating. Got IGL, Eco Coat, C Quartz Deluxe. I got some paste. I'm gonna be doing like wheel wax. I'm gonna try Fuso Coat. Oh, that was the sample that came with it. Sonax wheel rim shield, Hydro 2. I think this was a suggestion off Reddit. I got some sprays I'm going to try, so like different, like ceramic spray coatings like Turtle Wax. So yeah, and the reason I'm doing 19 is because when you look at the wheel here, there's roughly 5 different like defined sections. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can easily break those up, and that'll give a good section of the wheel still to see how the stuff actually performs. As you can see, the wheels are really nice and dirty right now, and this thing needs a bath, which I was hoping to do this coming week if the lift was ready to go and start my whole project on this, but unfortunately it is not. So I may just end up giving it a bath anyway. But yeah, so when people are buying like wheel stands from my store and all these new products to come, I try and take a bunch of that money and dump it right back into product testing and figuring out what works and what doesn't. That's kind of the way I hope this whole thing works. So as I get more stuff in, more people will buy it, and can keep the train of testing rolling, and I can do hopefully more testing than anyone ever has done with all these products, and as in-depth and as scientific as possible. So just a little channel update, let you know what's going on. I promise I'm doing more testing. I hate that I haven't been uploading more of it. Just other projects trying to make sure I can do that more often. So if you followed along by rambling here, check out thesourcescratch.com, and thanks for watching.